Love is always mysterious. Don't rush, or you'll ruin the story itself. Falling leaves never hate the wind. He just let himself fall. Don't fight. Let it all go.
Patience and silence is better. If indeed a mate will open itself the best way. If not, it will be replaced with a better one. Crying is not always a symbol of the weak and helpless. Crying in certain situations is a symbol of strength, patience, and honor. I have to get busy soon. Killing with the heart every time that longing arises. It's hard to do, because it means I have to stab my heart every second.